Hey, Liam. Good morning.
Morning, Emma. How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling good. A bit sleepy, though.
Same here. So, what's your plan for today?
Nothing big. Just work and a little practice.
Nice. Want to talk for a while?
Sure, I'd like that. So, did you sleep early last night?
Not really. I slept late again.
Again? Why?
I was scrolling my phone too much.
Same old problem.
Don't judge me.
I'm not judging, just saying.
What about you? When did you sleep?
Around midnight.
That's late too.
Yeah, but better than you.
True.
Did you eat breakfast?
Not yet.
Why do you skip breakfast so often?
I don't feel hungry in the morning.
At least drink something.
Yeah, I should.
You say this every day.
And I forget every day.
How's work going?
Busy. Too many emails.
That sounds stressful.
It is, but I'll manage.
You always do.
Thanks.
Did you start that new book?
Yeah, last night.
Is it good?
It's simple and easy to read.
I need a book like that.
I'll send you the name.
Any plans this weekend?
Not really. Maybe rest.
Good idea.
What about you?
Maybe go for a walk.
That sounds peaceful.
Did you watch anything yesterday?
Just a short video.
You always watch short videos.
Yeah, I can't focus on long ones.
Attention span of a goldfish.
Wow, rude.
Kidding. By the way, how's your English practice going?
Slow, but I'm trying.
Trying is enough.
Thanks.
You're improving.
Really?
Yes, really. What are you doing later?
Just finishing some tasks.
Sounds good.
You?
Maybe clean my room.
Good luck with that.
I'll need it. Sometimes I feel time is moving too fast.
I feel that too.
Days go by so quickly.
That's why small moments matter.
Like this one?
Yeah, like this one.
All right, Liam. I should go now.
Yeah, I need to start my work too.
Nice talking to you.
Same here.
Talk later?
Sure, see you soon.
Bye.
Bye.